Cobra. Inside. Side on the inside. Hands up. Clever and terrible. All of you clapping louder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Louder, louder. Soumya. Stop. Inside. Down. Be active and coming together. Stand at it. Be active. Active. Attention. Stand it. Attention. Okay, all of you be ready for next round. Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3, step. Cobra one view. Inside. Be active. Well, down be best. Up. Down. Stand it. Tension. Stand it. Tension. Okay, then we have stones of the view. Sing louder together. Be ready. 1, 2, 3, start. What are to these class 9 boys? Class 9 after Sumit. What are to you? Move back. Kishore. Cover up. All of you, let's cover up. Class 9, move back. All of you, let's cover up. Straight. Inside. Up. Inside. Hands up. Straight up. Make hands up, everyone. Clap. Louder. All of you. 1, 2, 3, 1. Louder. Stop. Inside. Hands down. Be active. Do properly. Standing. Attention. Standing. Attention. Okay, now it's time for the speech. So whose turn is it to deliver speech? Please come forward. Isan Bohora from grade 5.
Cybercrime is an illegal activity resulting not from using internet.
Hey you, what are you achieving? Anything? Then why
Cybercrime is a modern crime which includes cyber hacking, cyberbullying, phishing, etc. Cybercrime have individual people by hacking their IDs from it is contributing from cybercrime. We should not show the ID password to unknown person. At last, I want to say that cybercrime is an illegal activity. We should not do that. Thank you.
louder sound. Your sound is louder. Speak louder.
To speak on the topic of importance of education. Before starting the topic, I would like to thank the organizer who have organized the
Why
topic.
the organizer? The organizer? Then?
Please say
This is the organizer which helps us to increase the cognitive level of the student. Now my topic is that is importance of education. Education is the light that turns our dreams into possibilities. Education teaches us how to think, how to understand the world, and how to make the correct decision. It also gives us confidence and helps us. It also gives us confidence and helps us grow into responsible and independent. Through education, we have learned different kinds of skills that helps us in every step of our life. Education also opens the door for many opportunities. At last, I want to say that education is the key for a bright and successful future. Thank you. Have a great day.
I study in class 1. Today my topic is cow. Cow is national animal. It has 4 legs, 2 eyes, 2 ears, and 1 long tail. Cow eats grass. Cow gives us milk, cheese,
Thank you all the speakers for your speech. Hands covered up. All hands covered up. Inside. Dennis Lama. Up. Clap it. Clap all of you. Clap. Stop. Inside. Down. Stand at ease. Be active all of you. Together. Produce loud sound. Raise your feet. Tension. Not listening. Standing. Tension. Okay. To provide some information, I would like to welcome our respected Vice Principal.
Thank you, Miguel. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Swam Sai, be active. Make your posture correct. Inside. Manandar, you should be quite lazy, eh? Hands up. Stretch. Inside. Hands down. Stand at it. Attention. If Prasanthi, your leg is banging the same place, why? Stand at it in one place. Attention next place, eh? Stand at it. Attention. Sugam Thapa, you haven't eaten food. Stand at it. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Clap. One, two, three, four, five. Don't listen all the time. Don't disturb them. Inside. Deepika, what are you doing? What are you thinking about? Just rubbing the hands and standing over there. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand it. Again, no rhythmic sound is there. Attention. Stand it. Okay. You all are well known about 4 areas of learning. Reading, writing, listening and speaking. Whether you are smart in all areas or not, it is found that you are not focusing on reading. So every time, whenever the teacher teaches you, read aloud. Question answers, after writing, read aloud. During revision, write down and read aloud. Then it will be settled in mind. Listen attentively, read carefully, write sincerely, and speak gently. So you have got very less time for your unit test. Now revision classes are going on. What questions are revised? Please write, read, practice, and similar pattern will be asked in your evaluation test. Focus on handwriting and focus on your answers. I've reminded every time, both questions and answers are very easy. Only one thing is difficult, that is the steps. Process. If you make the process easy, everything will be easy. Listen carefully when the teacher teaches you. Don't distract your mind. While reading, focus on the subject matter. Eyes are in the book, producing sound, but mind is roaming here and there. Then how can you memorize the things? While writing, no side talking. Write down correctly, clearly, and It must be your own creativity. Don't copy the answer from others. Attention. Cover up. And side. Hands down. Stand it. So today we have got two birthday girls. One from grade 4, one from grade 6. Let's welcome them on the stage. Miss Lokesha Bohora and Ramita Khadka. Give them a big round of applause. Let's welcome them here. Don't forget to make separate line. You were absent in the morning class and feeling very lazy now. Lady Khadka also. Absent category. So I would like to request the class teachers to be present here. Okay. Are you ready to wish them? Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Subhatava Janma Deva Sarva Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Jaya 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 Tava Siddha Sadhanam Siddha Sadhanam Siddha Sadhanam Sukha Santi Samriddhi Chira Jivanam Chira Jivanam Chira Jivanam Subhatava Janma Deva Sarva Mangalam Sarva Mangalam Sarva Mangalam. On the special occasion of their birthday, entire Anupam family wishes them happy, healthy and prosperous birthday. So today is Mamsir 4th, 2082, Thursday. So we have got Anupam James, Miss Lokesha and Ramita. Let them have a long life, prosperous life, and their desires fulfill on time. Let's wish them in Western pattern. Ready? 1, 2, 3, start. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. May God bless you. May God bless you. Happy birthday, dear Lokesha and Ramita. Happy birthday to you. So lovely moment. Now it's the time to hear the lovely speech from birthday girls. Okay, Ramita.
Namaskar and good morning to you all. As you all know, it's my name Khadka from grade 6. Stand in front of you because I am speaking on the topic of birthday. Birthday is a special day for us. From taking one year, still I have some plans with God and first. And I like to remember them for some birthday.
Thank you very much, Miss Ramita and Lokesha. So, birthday is also a special day, special time, and it reminds us, birthday reminds us we are getting older day by day. Now they became 1 year old in comparison to last year. That's why you have to do lots of things. Manage the time. There is saying, time wastes none. So we have to move according to time. Otherwise, we will be too much behind and we cannot do anything. Attention. Cover up. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Stand. I would like to request the class teachers to check the smartness of the students.